The Call of the Wild is a book by Jack London. Bok, a pet dog. Listen, a Bok, a pet dog, leads a comfortable life with his master. Master के George Miller. However, his happy days come to an end when he is stolen. माने से डॉग टाकू चोरी नहीं आला है and sold to work as a sledge dog से जाएगी sledge टाणियो है in Alaska. After many adventures, okay, Bob finds a loving master. Okay, so Bob is the dog. He finds a loving master. He is another man, right? A traveler called John Thornton. Bob loves his new master, but he also longs to join his wild brothers. Okay, so he also longs, he also wants to join his wild brothers. तार जो माने अच्छे फॉरेस्ट रे, the wolves of the forest. Okay, so he wanted to go to the forest. After Thornton dies, okay, कौन हैला लिखा है अच्छा. So the Call of the Wild is a book by Jack London. Bok, a pet dog, leads a comfortable life with his master, George Miller. However, his happy days come to an end when he is stolen and sold to work as a sledge dog in Alaska. After many adventures, Bok finds a loving master, a traveler called John Thornton. So Thornton है तो मरिଯାଇଛି बुझिपाରୁଛ ना नहीं एक से ताମାନେ मरिगला परे बोधे चाहिए. So what is happening? Let us see. Night came on. Night came on with the full moon. आज full moon अछि हैला. Bok was mourning by John Thornton body. John Thornton मरिगला. John Thornton is dead. Bok was mourning, means was feeling sad after the death. Suddenly he stood up, listening and scenting. Okay, listening and scenting. He was just smelling. From far away came a faint, sharp yell. A faint माने इतने जाना पड़नी, माने इतने strong नहीं है. Sharp yell, good sound. Okay. Followed by more sharp yells. Listen now, listen. Sharp yells. Listen here. So from far away came a faint sharp wail. Acha. Followed by more sharp yells. How the sound was? As the moments passed, धीरे-धीरे, the yells grew closer and louder. धीरे-धीरे तारी आड़ को आसुची से जिनस उड़ा है ला, से sound उड़ा. Closer है यश, louder है यश. Bok recognized them as the sounds he had heard in the other world, in that other world. The world which he half saw, half dreamed of, in front of the fire. Okay? Huh? So, the world which he half saw. से बेसी दिन तांको पाखे रहीनी जो ता फ्रेंड्स मानक पाखे वेट हाफ सॉ बेसी दिन रहीनी जल हला ताको निया ही हाफ ड्रीम्ड ऑफ माने से भी चाहिए तांको पाखु जीवा पई ता ड्रीम भी पूर्ण होई सेटा भी हाफ अछि ता ड्रीम भी पूर्ण हेनी हला इट वाज द कॉल ऑफ द वाइल्ड सो जंगल से माने ताको डाकुचन बुझिपारल नहीं and now as never before Bob was ready to answer it hela now he wants to answer he has not done it before he has never done it he has never answered them never answered John Thornton was dead Bob's last tie with man was broken tie माने बॉन्ड बंधन सी ता पाखे रही आछि ना ता सबको ताकते लोभ लागितिला दैट इज नाउ ब्रोकन से मरी गला के थंटन नहीं कि थंटन मरी गला ना नहीं द वोल्फ पैक had crossed over rivers and forest into the Box Valley. Box जो जगह रहूची, wait, afterwards you will do it. First you listen. So the wolf pack, so कौन दी pack of wolves, होला? कौन दी pack of wolves? माने एक दौड़े, होला? दौड़ को कौन दी, होला? अच्छा, the wolf pack had crossed over rivers. River डेरिंग and forest डेरिंग into the Box Valley कोडी Box area now with the moonlight shining down on them moonlight shine करची they came one by one into a clearing okay गोटे ओपन ग्रीन स्पेस क्लियरिंग माने कोन गोटे ओपन ग्रीन स्पेस को से माने आसिले इन द सेंटर ऑफ द क्लियरिंग स्टूड बॉक व्हाट दे सॉ बॉक मोशनलेस वेटिंग फॉर देम सेमती छिड़ा की रही है हां सीधा ही छिड़ा की रही still and पूरा स्टैच्यू भलिया motionless waiting for them से भी तांको wait करछ हैं the pack was surprised for a moment hey से माने surprise है at this huge steel creature करे टैकी नहीं हैला huge माने जानछो हां बड़ like a flash then the boldest माने तांको भीतर गोटे सबुत साहस थिला से कौन कला लिफ्ट माने जानछो जंप हैं स्ट्रेट एट हिम ता ऊपर गाइला जंप कला एक लाइक ए फ्लैश बॉक स्ट्रोक बॉक भी ता ऊपर अटैक कला स्ट्रोक रो जानछो कहार पास्ट टेंस स्ट्राइक रो कहार स्ट्राइक स्ट्रोक सीवी ताको बाड़ेला हला बॉक वेटेड अगेन देखला आउ कोन करियो देखिया से मोशनलेस आज बिफोर जेमते आगुर मोशनलेस से छिड़ा हितला एबे भी सेम छिड़ा हला 3 more wolves lived for him. तीनटा तापर डेले and one after they went back with the coats on their shoulders. ହେଲା तो ତାଙ୍କ शोल्डर रे ये कट करदेला पूरा कामुड़ी देला ହେଲା कट खंडिया करी छाड़देला now the whole pack समस्ते almost as one समस्ते एकाथरे flung itself at block ତେଣୁ whole pack flung itself ସମସ୍ତେ ଏକାଠି ପୁରା ତାପରେ ଡେଇଁଲେ ହଁ flung କାହାର past tense ଜାଣିଛ ତ fling ହଁ ହେଲା fling ମାନେ jump କରିବା ସମସ୍ତେ ତାପରେ ଡେଇଁଲେ but he turned on his hind legs okay from side to side but he turned on bulila ହେଲା on his hind legs ଜାଣିଛ କଣ ତ ପଛ ଗୋଡ଼ ହେଲା hind legs from side to side snapping and crying loudly snapping माने moving speedily है and crying loudly जोरे बोबेला he was everywhere at once wheeling so fast bulila that not a wolf could touch him ताऊ कहीं धरी परिवेनी है से एमिति बुलिला ताऊ कहीं धरी परिवेनी है to prevent the pack from getting behind him गला ता पछरे काले के धरिवे ताको प्रिवेंट करिया पई बंद करिया पई प्रिवेंट pack from getting behind him ता पछु काले डेई पड़िवे ता ऊपरे Bob was forced back bit by bit से पछु गला हैला बुझ परत नहीं bit by bit धीरे धीरे he finally stood in a corner with the three sides protected by a highland wait so what a corner को हैला listen so corner को पड़े he finally stood in a corner with the three sides protected तीन पट के आस परिवेनी बुझ परछ गोटे लैंड माने एमती लैंड अच्छी he faced each angry animal he now faced each angry animal जने जने आसीबे हैला after half an hour Buck was still in command हैला Buck actually मारुथला the pack had drawn back से माने हेतु पळेले से पछ उंचा देले laying or standing से माने drawn back माने टिके पछकु फेरिले laying पडिले or standing छिडा हेले in a ring around him कोन गोटे घेरा कर दे nursing their wounds कोन करथिले ये nursing their wounds देखुथिले हां then one wolf long and thin से wolf टा and grey came up carefully से दी आसला भलो in a friendly manner से कोन कला friendly manner रे आसला Buck's eye lit up as he recognized his wild brother with whom he had run side by side for hours हैला Buck eyes lit up lit कार past tense light रो कार light lit up future रे कोन tense था future I will light lighted हैला light lit अच्छा so Buck's eyes lit up as he recognized his wild brother. से recognize कला माने चिन्हिला. Recognize जानते तो चिन्हिवा. Wild brother with whom he had run. ता संगरे से बहुत दौड़ीची. Side by side ता ହେଲା for hours. बहुत दौड़ीची से ହେଲା. The wolf whined softly. एक से जो wolf ता whine कला. whine माने कौन? And so did Buck. They tossed noses. एक से माने ये कले कौन? Tossed noses. Then after him came an old wolf. तापर तापछ पछ क्या आसला? गोटे old wolf आसला. Who had been hurt in the fight. ताकू injured his. ହେଲା he had been hurt by the buck. ହେଲା এটা passive voice ଅଛି. active voice passive voice. Buck had hurt him. ହେଲା ଏଠି କହିବା ଉଲ୍ଟା କହିଲେ he had been hurt by Buck. He put his face forward. एक से अनेला तक. After a moment Buck touched noses with him also. ता भी nose ताकू गेलो गला. At this the old wolf sat down. इसरे old wolf बसी पड़ा. Pointed his nose at the moon. Nose अनेला था. पड़े moon आड़ू. And broke out into long wolf howl. Broke out. ହେଲା ଗୋଟେ ଡାକ ଛାଡିଲା କଣ into a long wolf howl. ହଁ ଏକ broke out into a long wolf howl. ଗୋଟେ ବଡ ବୋବେଇଲା ହେଲା ବଡ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଦେଇ ବୋବେଇଲା. The other wolves did the same. ସମସ୍ତେ ସେମିତି ବୋବେଇଲେ. Buck watching eagerly. Buck को मजा लगिला देखिला से ହେଲା he watched with great interest and excitement. देखिला कौन देखिला? The other wolves did the same. ହେଲା Buck held his fur stand up. तार फर गुड़ा जो आमर जमी रोम टिके टांकुरी उठानी बढ़िया तार फर स्टैंड अप फर तार टिके छिड़ा गला. हाउएवर एक फर जानच तो फर जानच अरे फर माने कौन रोम चम तार न था ये गुड़ा. However, this was not from anger. एथर से anger है रागिनी. But from strangeness and sadness of the cry. ହେଲା बुझिपाइलो? He could no longer stay quiet. से भी आउ चुप रही पाइलानी. No longer ହେଲା से भी अब क्वाइट चुप रही पाइला कि but sat down and howled at the moon. moon को भी देखिकरी कांदिला. this over ହେଲା this over एटा जेंति हे गला सरी गला Buck this over माने एटा जेंति सरी गला. Buck came out of his protected place. से जो पंधिरे पसी थिला सेटु बाहरला प्रोटेक्टेड प्लेस रु बाहरला. The pack crowded around him. pack भी समस्त ता चारिपटे ହେଲା घेरी गले. crowded around ହେଲା sniffing सुंगिले. sniffing जानछ तो in a half friendly half wild manner. हाफ फ्रेंडली हाफ वाइल्ड टिके राग अच्छी टिके फ्रेंड अच्छी है फ्रेंडशिप अच्छी देन द लीडर्स वेल्ट लीडर माने एटू बोबेले एंड स्प्रांग अवे इनटू द वुड्स दौड़ी पळेले स्प्रांग का कहार पास्ट टेंस स्प्रिंग दौड़ी पळेले की गला एक sprang away into the woods पळे the pack followed yelping in chorus लीडर माने जेतले पळेले पैक माने फॉलो करिए ना ने तांकू दे विल फॉलो और ना फॉलो तांग पछ पछ गले पैक yelping in chorus समस्त बोबेले एक yelping in chorus समस्त एका स्वर रे कोरस कोन एका स्वर रे बोबेले एंड बॉक रान विथ देम बॉक भी गला तांग संगे दौड़िला हां साइड बाय साइड विथ हिज वाइल्ड ब्रदर्स हला ताको संगे दौड़िला येल्पिंग आज ही रान जे रन करथला भी भुकला बुझ परछो हैं सो दिस इज ए चैप्टर ओवर